So how do you combine a video on the iPad? Let's get into it. For this, you will need to use a third-party app. By the way, if you are new to the channel, make sure you are subscribed so you'll never miss anything important. And there are essentially two apps which I can recommend you to get. If you need to export like landscape videos, not in the vertical format, but in the horizontal format, then you can go with iMovie. That one is going to work well. But if you need the vertical videos or you need some more features, then I'd recommend you to go with CapCut. So these are the main video editors which I recommend to people. So starting with iMovie, you can open up the application like that, start a brand new movie project, right? And you can just import the videos from your gallery, right? So it doesn't matter what it is. It might also be photos like that, but you can choose a couple of videos. You can just click on adding them to the timeline like that, add multiple videos, create a movie like that. And now you essentially have two videos combined together. You might as well have a transition in between. Also, you can perform some edits, like you can, like zoom in on the video or just cut the video short or perform some edits. And once you're done, click on export, click on the done button, and you can save it to your gallery. I mean, don't get me wrong, it works and it's from Apple, it's free, it's easy to use, but you can see it's not really that customizable and we are lacking some features. So most importantly, the vertical video doesn't work or any other aspect ratio is simply not supported. So this is where I like to use CapCut instead. Even though there are some professional features or premium ones which you need to pay for free, you also get a lot of cool features. And there you might as well just create a brand new project and import your videos onto the timeline. As I say, you can switch to the different aspect ratio, which is really cool. And also plenty of different features which you may not even know about. And yeah, you can combine it endlessly with the transitions and like make it shorter, longer, whatever, export it and be good to go. So that's it from me. It's just a basic or a quick guide. I have a lot more tutorials for video editing on this channel, so make sure you subscribe or check out those videos. Thanks a lot, and I will catch you later in the future content.